We have an elevator here. You're on the 4th floor. Opens up. First bedroom here. It's 11 by 10. You can fit a queen size bed right here, enough for bedside furniture, some kind of table here. You also have a very high ceiling here with a large amount of closet space, as you can tell right there. Why don't you go show me that, Sean? Now over here, you have extra closet space right here. Which we will put a new light bulb in, obviously. Here's the living space. And the last tenants, what they have was a sectional couch right here. You can put a coffee table right here, which connects to the kitchen. So it's great for entertaining, having people over. 5, 10 people easily can fit here. Bedroom number 2. Beautiful street view, lots of sunlight. Over here. Beautiful closet right here. Easily fit a queen size bed. You have a built-in AC in the wall. Four floors up so you don't get too much street noise. On top of that, this is very quiet. We got over here in the bathroom, which is accessible at all rooms, including the guests, which makes it very convenient. It's a full bath. And over here, there's a master bedroom. Features a very, very big closet. Easily enough space for a queen. You can even fit a king in this one. All bedrooms are pretty equal, but this is the biggest one. And here we have the man himself. Very, very large windows, lots of sunlight, everything you need. The floors have just been glossed over. Everything's brand new. There you go. And that's the shower, folks.